Your Excellency, the Governor of your state, our special guest of honor, Your Excellency, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, immediate past Governor, my Oga, let me also recognize the traditional ruler of this environment, not just a Koko, here is a Rebisi. Also the chairman of the River State Council of Traditional Rulers, chairman of the River State Elder Council, distinguished elders that are here, ladies and gentlemen. I am happy to be here this afternoon to be part of the record that when Hypercity number 3 was unveiled, that I was also part of it. I want to say that our desire when we came on board on May 29th is to continue to uplift, uphold the development of our dear state, which was christened consolidation and continuity. Today, it is not a government official program, that is a private arrangement that is adding value to the economy of our dear state. And it's upon us to ensure that we give this business entity the entire support that is needed. As a government, we will continue to give you security, tax holiday, as you did mention, that you were enjoying before I came in, and any other thing that you might want to require in the future. This is because government cannot do it alone. Government needs to join hands with everybody for the development of our dear state. May I, on this note, wish the management of Hypercity the best, a more prosperous business adventure in our dear state. Let it not just be within our state. Wishing you that your course should also expand to almost the 2 places that we are already making requests, FCT and Oyo State. Let me thank every one of you that has come to support us to make sure that our dear states continue to develop. On this note, I wish Hypercity the best. By the glory of God, you will continue to go higher and higher. Thank you, and God bless you all.
Thank you so much, His Excellency.